Hello, kids. Imagine a magic box where you can keep all the things you love dreams, wishes, and magical things. Today, we will open the magic box and see what surprises are inside. I will put in the box the swish of a silk sari on a summer night. Swish means a soft, smooth sound like the wind blowing through leaves. The child wants to put the soft sound of a silk sari moving in the warm night air into the box. Imagine silk floating in the air and making a gentle sound, calm, beautiful, and magical. Fire from the nostrils of a Chinese dragon. Nostrils are the holes in your nose. The child wants to put fire coming out of a dragon's nose into the box. Imagine a big magical dragon breathing fire, like in your favorite story. This shows the box can hold exciting and magical things. The tip of a tongue touching a tooth. The child notices small funny things from everyday life. Imagine your tongue gently touching your tooth while you eat ice cream or check your teeth. Even tiny, simple things can be special enough to keep in a magic box. A snowman with a rumbling belly. Rumbling means a low, growling noise like a hungry tummy. Imagine a snowman whose tummy growls because he is hungry for cookies. This shows the child's funny and playful imagination. A sip of the bluest water from Lake Lucerne. The child wants to put clean, sparkling water from a beautiful lake in Switzerland into the box. Imagine drinking the bluest, freshest water you have ever seen. This shows the child loves nature and beautiful things. A leaping spark from an electric fish. Leaping means jumping, and spark is a tiny flash of light or electricity. Imagine a small electric fish jumping and giving tiny sparks like mini lightning bolts. The child wants to keep something full of energy and magic. Three violet wishes spoken in Gujarati. Violet here is a purple color, but the child wants to keep three special wishes that glow purple spoken in Gujarati, which is an Indian language. Imagine wishes shining like magic lights. The last joke of an ancient uncle. Ancient means very old. Imagine your grandpa or uncle telling a funny joke, and it's the last one ever. The child wants to keep happy memories. And the first smile of a baby. Imagine a small baby smiling for the first time. It makes your heart warm and happy. The child wants to keep this joy forever. A fifth season and a black sun. The child imagines things that do not exist in real life. Imagine a new season or a black sun in the sky. This shows the child's imagination has no limits. A cowboy on a broomstick and a witch on a white horse. Normally, cowboys ride horses and witches ride broomsticks. Imagine them swapping rides, a cowboy on a broomstick and a witch on a horse. The child loves fun and creative ideas. My box is fashioned from ice and gold and steel. Fashion means made or built. The box is strong, shiny, and magical like a treasure chest with stars on the lid and secrets in the corners. Imagine sparkling stars on top and hidden treasures or secrets in the corners. The box is beautiful and full of surprises. Its hinges are the toe joints of dinosaurs. Hinges are parts that let doors open and close. Imagine dinosaurs' toes holding the box together. The box is powerful, ancient, and magical. I shall surf in my box on the great high rolling breakers of the wild Atlantic. Breakers means big waves in the sea. The child rides huge ocean waves in the box like a brave adventurer. Then wash ashore on a yellow beach the color of the sun. Imagine soft, golden sand and warm sunshine. The child reaches a happy, peaceful place. Now let's see the summary. The poem is about a child with a big imagination. The child makes a magic box and fills it with dreams, wishes, magical things, funny things, and happy memories. Everything in the box is special and magical. The poet teaches us that imagination is very valuable and it makes life colorful, fun, and exciting. Now, here is a message for you. See, kids, imagination is like a treasure in your mind. You can dream, imagine, and create anything you like. So, always dream big, play with your imagination, and have fun. I hope you enjoyed this poem. If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.